So we had to move the trailer. Originally we had it set up way over there on the pond. I made a mistake. I didn't see that we couldn't be within 100 feet of the pond, or 50 feet of the pond, 100 feet for XP. So there was no other place to move it due to soft ground around the pit. So we kind of commandeered the area where the trucks turn around to offload and load. We tried to leave them enough room so that they could still turn around safely and get the trucks turned around, but we just didn't have a choice. So we parked the trailer here. We set it up. It's level. It's basically pretty much ready to go. There's a grounding rod for the trailer. There's also one for the generator and the control panels. There is no secondary containment. When I asked Lupe about it today, his comment was, "What's secondary containment?" And I said it's spill protection. If it's spill protection, he said it's clean water, so if they want to come out and test, they can come out and test. So we've kind of pretty much set up. We're going to put the Intuitech skid here, just to keep everything somewhat centralized and close, and still try and maintain distance for XP rating. Kind of makes me a little nervous leaving this equipment out, this particular piece of equipment out in the elements, but everybody knew what we were doing. We set the control panel up, both panels. The generator that was delivered is a 55 kW, so it's way bigger than what our current our 15 kW generator was. So the plan is to run just solely off this one particular generator. It'll be a lot easier, save us fuel, and just a smarter way to do it. Got the control panel. I did fire up the generator and check my wiring. I did check to make sure rotation was correct on the mixers and the skimmer, and everything appears to be correct. So the skimmer may be the only question. I basically checked to make sure it was running and functioning. So they're all set up and ready to go. We put an influent line here. We ran it to this first tank that I'm going to ask them to fill with fresh water. I thought it was going to be done today, but it did not get done. So we're going to fill to this first tank, and we're going to get another line out here tomorrow to run to basically circulate water out of this first tank. They delivered 4 tanks, and I asked them again why when they told me they were going to. They said that that's what they were told to do. So we have 4 frac tanks out here instead of just 3. We have a 90-barrel waste tank. That's where our solids are going to go. I asked for that tank. I thought it was a better choice than using a frac tank. Easier to clean stuff in and out, and we didn't need the volume of a frac tank. So I dropped these 2 tanks off. I asked them to couple them together so we can have the shared capacity. So between those 2 tanks, we should have about 4 days worth of run time. Just a basic layout of the site. The DW guys have been helping. They've been really good. Good guys. They're over there uncovering the line. So we're going to use one of the lines that they use to suck water out of the pit. We're just going to use that line to pump water to our trailer. It was the best option available to us. There I'm burying the line that we buried yesterday and locating it so that we can get it buried, so that we can find out exactly which line it is and get it plumbed up.